Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Excel line graphs step by step. Start by organizing your data with clear headers, then select the entire range including labels. Next, go to Insert, choose Line Chart, and review the preview to confirm axes and series. Tweak the axes and labels to make your message clear, and pick contrasting colors for each series so trends stand out. Add markers when points matter, and use a concise title that tells viewers what the chart compares. Finally, position the legend where it does not overlap data for a clean result. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for meal prep. They seal tight and save spills when you take food to work or meetings. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a set if you want, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When data needs emphasis, try smoothing or step lines, and consider a secondary axis for mismatched scales like dollars versus percentages. Use filters to hide irrelevant series, and employ highlighting or data labels for key points. These choices help viewers grasp trends quickly without overwhelming them.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.